Is it difficult trying to get that thought in your head translated to an email? You spend too much time trying to craft that perfect message? Today, we're diving into Gemini and Gmail and showing you all the ways to create content and get your work done more efficiently and effectively. Hi, I'm Stephanie from Google, and I'm here to tell you about Gemini, a powerful AI assistant that's now available for Workspace users right within your Gmail. Gemini can help you generate all sorts of content, whether you're reaching out to a new vendor, responding to a customer, or trying to reply in between meetings. Gemini is designed to boost your productivity and keep you on top of your communication. Let's start on your computer. Open up a new Compose window and click on the pencil button in the toolbar, and that's where the magic begins. You've just opened up the Help Me Write prompt bar, and now you can tell Gemini what you need help drafting. So imagine you're a bakery owner and you want to write a new email to a potential new vendor. You can type in something like, write an email to Fruit Gold Farms, a local fruit supplier, to ask about becoming a vendor for our bakery. Be professional and describe our reputation for quality. Ask what fruits they offer, delivery schedule, and ask for samples. Boom, Gemini generates a draft. And it's not just basic text. It's personalized, it's engaging, and it's ready to impress your contacts. Pro tip, for your prompts, if you add more context, like an audience, your tone, or goals for outcome, you'll always get a more effective output. But what if you want to refine it further? Gemini has you covered. Click Refine, and with one click, you can shorten, formalize, or elaborate on your draft. And Gemini can do so much more than basic drafts. It can also incorporate context from your Drive files to give you an even more detailed email. For this, we'll need to open the side panel. Simply click on the spark at the top right of your inbox, and then use the @ symbol to give your prompt a little more context. Let's say you have a customer asking for the ingredient list of your special peach cobbler scones, just for allergy purposes. Instead of having to pull individual lists and copy and paste back and forth, simply ask Gemini to help write a polite and professional response to this customer with your ingredient list from @cupcake ingredient list, and offer to switch to any other flavor if there are any issues. Voila! Gemini can automatically pull from your Drive files, so you can quickly respond to your customer and get back to baking. Gmail has a new feature that can give you reply suggestions based on the context of your emails. So when Gemini has enough context, it can give you a few options at the bottom of your email, and when you click Reply, hover over these suggestions just to see the full draft of the text in your Compose window. Tap on the suggestions that make sense for you, and it's automatically inserted. You can send it as is, or you can edit before sending. These aren't just random replies, they're specifically tailored to the email that you're reading. So are you ready to supercharge your email game? Start using Gemini in Gmail today. It's a game changer for productivity. At Google Workspace, we're committed to helping you and your team unlock the full potential of AI to work smarter, faster, and more efficiently. So drop a comment below and let us know, what AI tips or tricks do you want to learn about next? And keep coming back to learn more about the best AI tools available to you through Google Workspace. We'll see you at the next one.